Beautiful Oops by Barney Saltzberg. When you think you have made a mistake, oops. Think of it as an opportunity to make something beautiful. Materials needed: A4 paper, pencils and markers. You can also use colored pencils. All of us make mistakes. Oh no, Just breathe and think how you can change the mistake into something beautiful. Continue the scribble and go over with a black marker. Color in your scribble with your favorite colors and patterns. You can use markers or colored pencils. Be creative and use your imagination.